Well, that's mildly concerning.
Anything?
Not yet. Wait up! I think I see them! Looks like they're totally fine. And not only that, they came back for me! Hey, fam! I'm right here!
Oh, no, you don't!
Hands off our snail!
Eat suds! Joe, what is this, wool?
Bee wool, actually. Thanks for noticing. Hey, those were expensive.
Get up and go faster!
Yes, ma'am.
Now hit the brakes!
What?
Just do it! Zap tag, anyone? That's right! You better run! Nobody terrorizes my family but me! You're all okay! Oh, and you're welcome. I'd also like to thank Speedy Joe for his help and...
Polly Petunia Planter.
Uh-oh, full name. Could you give us a minute, Speedy Joe?
You got it. Boop, boop, boop.
So, sorry about the killer bird.
Forget the killer bird. Don't you ever run away from us again, you hear me? We were worried sick. What if something happened to you? What if you'd gotten hurt or lost or worse?
I really am just trouble, aren't I? You were right. Maybe you should have left me back in Wartwood.
Heard all that, did you? Polly, I'd never leave you behind. Not ever.
We shouldn't have been so harsh.
You're such a tough little tadpole, we forget you need a little loving occasionally.
Thanks, guys.
Sorry to interrupt, but do you guys need a tow to the next stop? Bet you they'll have everything you need to fix up your wagon.
Wagon.